Alright, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned Honda Accord Sport, 39,000 miles on it. It's Basque Red Pearl in color. Alright, it's a CARFAX One-Owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. First thing I noticed, it's already got a brand new set of tires on here. Still got the paper on it. Okay, nice chrome trim around the windows. Chrome door handles, and these Accord Sports have this really nice trim package that comes along the bottom of the car here. Nice 19-inch alloy wheels. Alright, driver's side of the Accord's in great shape. Got your deck lid spoiler here. Rear backup camera. Alright, everything looks good back here. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, everything looks good on the exterior of this Accord. Once again, it's a certified 16. It's got 39,000 miles on it. It's a CARFAX One-Owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Nice carbon fiber trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, carpet looks good. Alright, it's actually got black cloth seating. Got leather trim here with the nice white stitching. It's a power driver's seat. Alright, upholstery's nice here on the driver's side. Open up, got plenty of storage in here. Got a power outlet in there as well. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and take the key out. Keyless entry key fob. It is an automatic. Alright, got you another power outlet under here. Dual climate controls. AM FM CD player. It's going to have your radio display and backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control there. Steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Alright, got your Econ button right over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 39,051 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, and as you can see, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, we'll pan down a little bit. Got your CD player, AM FM stereo, got your dual climate controls. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here in great shape. Got the nice white stitching going through. Backseat carpet looks good, no staining, everything nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around on the passenger side here. On this black interior, it's kind of hard to see sometimes, so I'm gonna let as much light in as possible. All right, let's take a look at this carpet again. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Same thing for the back seat. It's got the nice cloth inserts, got the leather trim. Okay. Got your cup holders there in the center console. It comes down. I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. All right, let's take a look in the trunk. All right, carpet back here is nice and clean. You can see how far back the trunk goes. There's a ton of room in the back of these Accords. This comes up, got your jack and spare tire underneath. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. I believe these are 19s. Let's see. Yeah, 19-inch alloys. All right, got the nice black trim on there. Really sharp-looking alloy. And then once again, got the brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a certified 16 Honda Accord Sport, 39,000 miles. It's a CARFAX One-Owner. All right, this thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.